Hello students, welcome back to your science class. Students, today we will learn question answers of chapter 2, plants and animals also need water. So this is the chapter 2, okay? So those who have completed this question answer, written this question answer, they will not repeat. They will just open and sit and read with me. Okay, learn with me. And the students, those who have not written, still I think so many students are like this. They have not completed the question answers of chapter 2. They must write it. Okay, so at first you listen and read with me, then afterwards you will write this in your classwork copy. Do you understand? Okay, let us start. C. Answer the following question. 1. What happens when the seeds are put in wet soil? The question is, what happens when the seeds are put in wet soil? Answer. When the seeds are put in wet soil, they start germinating. They start germinating. When the seeds are put in wet soil, okay, they start germinating. Okay, so students, page number open, that is page number 12. The question is given in the page number 12. Okay, so what is germination? What is germination? The growth of the plant. Growth of the plant from seed. That is germination. So the answer I have given for the question 1 is, when the seeds are put in wet soil, they start germinating. They start growing. Okay. Number 2. Name any 3 aquatic plants and aquatic animals. So for aquatic plant, A. Aquatic plant, lotus, water hyacinth and water lily. Aquatic animals, fish, whale and octopus. I am repeating. Name any 3 aquatic plants and aquatic animals. A. Aquatic plants, lotus, water hyacinth and water lily. You have to write 3 each. 3 for C. Number 2. Aquatic animals, fish, whale and octopus. Any 3 you can write. Okay, any 3 aquatic plants, any 3 aquatic animals. So number E. What is the question given? E, that is, think and answer. Why do we need to water the plants twice in summers? Question is, why do we need to water the plants twice in summers? In summer we have to water the plant twice. a day, twice in a day. Okay, why it is so? So the answer is, we need to water the plants twice in summer because the soil heats and dries quickly. Soil heats and dries quickly in summer sun. Okay? Why do we need to water the plants twice in summer? Answer: we need to water the plants twice in summer because the soil heats and dries quickly in summer sun. Is that clear? Okay. Now, one extra question. What is germination? Draw the diagram. Diagram is given in page number 9. I think you have drawn. Again you can draw for practice. Okay, that's for practice you can do it again. And the answer of the question is, germination is the process of seeds growing into new plants. What is that? Seeds growing into new plants. Again, what is germination? Draw the diagram. So the answer is, germination is the process of seeds growing into new plants. Only this you will write. Very simple. In one sentence you will write. Okay, and practice drawing. So students, today I have given you 4 questions from this chapter. The students, those who have not written, they will write it and draw the diagrams beside that. Okay, so the class ends here. Good day, students.